Do square wheels actually work? I mean, no, but we're going to try them anyway. We're going to start by measuring the size we need. Now I'm going to cut the cardboard out and put it together. So we make these little triangles here. And then I'm going to piece these little triangles together into a square shape according to the template and tape them around the wheel. And that is the finished result. Check that out. Pretty solid. Squeeze them around the wheels. Should be holding them pretty well. It's a lock diff, they're going to roll pretty good. Looks like we're going to have basically no turning. Yeah, no turning's happening. Gotta keep those wheels straight there. It's looking pretty stylish. Those look pretty cool actually. Like a robot or something like that. Nice. So squares on the side. But, as usual, I'm not the one driving. If I was, it would probably hold together pretty well, but gotta hand it over and see what damage is about to be done. Let's do it. Right, he hasn't seen me make the car, so we're gonna film Hedgie's live reaction to the wheels. What are you up to right now? So that's what the program looks like. He's trying to escape. Okay, it looks like it can do it, but there's no grip. So let's just give it a little bit of grip. I can actually feel, it feels actually quite nice. Can you feel it on that? Yeah. I can actually feel, it like adds to the torque. Let's just talk nicely, just got no grip. Okay, well based on what we're seeing, square wheels are definitely good for climbing. That's for sure. Just needs grip, obviously. I'm only holding it for grip here. It's not like before I need a weight, it's actually just grip. Slow obviously. Right. That's a grippy surface. Alright. Dropping. I can tell you're getting mad about driving slow, so let's hit it. Looking quite nicely. Bit faster, yeah. Got it in high gear? Yeah. Alright, go. So you're not turning at all. Are you doing any turning? That's pretty good. So you actually know how much to turn. Yeah, that's pretty good. Cool. So you can drive up this wall hill. Careful, don't turn too much. Okay, I wasn't letting it go fast at the start because I thought the change because I thought it was going to break, but it looks like I built it pretty strong. I'm going to hit the box over there. It's going to go tiny. Bring it back here. Challenge for you is you see you should be able to do it. We need to actually break these wheels, and I expect them to break by now. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. So it actually looks better with these wheels because they look much bigger when they're rolling. Yeah. They actually look stronger. I still haven't broken this yet. It's actually worth turning them into circles along the drive. Alright, well, based on that, square wheels do work if you've got the right car and driver. You need to absolutely thrash the car to break those wheels off. Second lost 3. It's got 4. There's like a bug biting it to one side. Insane. That, it's just that. It's almost there. It's got that left. It ripped like a millimetre more. You can hold it last weekend. It wants to get it off. That doesn't do it. You can have it kept on. How strong is this tape? There it is. Probably feels pretty light and free now. Does it feel nicer to drive? It almost feels like that loosened up all the suspension stuff. It looks like it's driving out better. The bump just then. Yeah, so it feels a bit looser.
It does.
To clean up this in. Loaded it up like an Indian truck. Keep it steady. Whenever I do this sort of stuff with you, I make a game in my head of thinking, how long will you keep it steady for? Bring it out here into the grass. It didn't take long. Let's chip in.